It's a 9-volt preamp that goes in there.
You can hear the static fizzing.
We're in passive mode. All we have is volume.
It's quieter than conversation
We
level.
don't have a tone control at that point. So you're a little bit limited on that, but
Audio is still passing through it.
that's the one thing that's kind of missing there is a passive tone control. We jump up to the neck. It's a caramelized maple neck, so that means it's like a baked maple neck. It's got a speed profile on the back, and I would equate that again if we're talking.
So, okay, so this speaker has been on for about an hour, 90 minutes, and this is the first noise emission event that occurred. This one is fairly continuous. And I'm going to video the back so you can see the settings. And this was done after the reset, where I turn off for 5 seconds and hold the HF and HP switches or buttons for 5 seconds. So, and just lost the light. There you go.